It may not be well known, but you can actually make money online by typing names. To be more precise, creating and selling names to companies. By coming up with cool, imaginative names, you can easily earn $600 by typing names online in as little as a week. Today I'm going to show you earn $600 just typing names online. Before the start of the video, make sure you leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. How can I make money online by typing names? It may sound entirely unbelievable, but it's true. You can earn money just by typing names. And in fact, there are actually a couple of different ways to type names and make money online. But today, I want to focus on one typing side hustle opportunity in particular, which is offered by an online company called SquadHelp. Why SquadHelp? Well, the reason being that SquadHelp actually affords you more opportunities to make money than other typing jobs. And as a result, it can be an extremely profitable side job. So let's dive in a little deeper into what SquadHelp is exactly and how you can make money online just by typing names. What is SquadHelp? SquadHelp is an online crowdsourcing platform that helps new businesses discover great name ideas, logo designs, and taglines, all created by SquadHelp's online community of over 70,000 freelancers. On SquadHelp, businesses or entrepreneurs can purchase names or domains, logos, and branding that are created and sold by freelancers. They can choose to purchase these either on the SquadHelp Marketplace, an online shop of thousands of brand names, or by creating contests for freelancers to enter into. The way it works is very simple. All you have to do is sign up. It's free and worldwide, so anyone can join. Then a business owner posts a contest to find a name for his business or product. Next, you enter the contest, read the description of it, and give the name that you come up with. Did you notice the price tag on that one? If you're the creator of the business name, then you're going to make a killing when it sells. I say when, because there's no shortage of businesses and entrepreneurs on SquadHelp. To date, they've helped over 14,000 brands worldwide find their perfect name. And it's no wonder why they choose SquadHelp, because businesses, known as buyers on SquadHelp, can also conduct audience testing on their shortlisted names. Have SquadHelp research and file for trademark protection, partner with SquadHelp branding consultants to run contests and find and secure names, logos, taglines from start to finish. Is SquadHelp legit? Yes, SquadHelp is a legit online crowdsourcing platform where you can get paid to name businesses and create logos. SquadHelp's online community comprises over 70,000 creatives worldwide who have already helped over 14,000 businesses and entrepreneurs find names, logos, and slogans for their companies. Also, SquadHelp currently has a 4.6 out of 5 excellent rating on Trustpilot. So if you want to get paid to name companies or tap into thousands of name ideas for your business, then you should definitely incorporate this high rating into your decision-making. Can you make money on SquadHelp? In short, yes. You can definitely make money creating names for companies on SquadHelp. This SquadHelp member has already made a total of over $70,000 by winning naming contests and selling names on the marketplace. So there's definitely money to be made here. However, in order to really be successful on SquadHelp and make good money typing names, you'll need to come up with genuinely creative and original names, or if you so choose, logos and taglines. If you enter names into contests that aren't appealing or don't work well for companies, then you won't make much money using SquadHelp. The better your name ideas, the more likes you'll receive, and the closer you'll be to receiving what's known as a Tier A creative status. So if you have good name ideas, then how much money can you make? Well, the amount of money you can make on SquadHelp depends on how many contests you enter, what the prize money is, and how many you win, and if you take advantage of the marketplace and sell on there. The prize money amount for each contest primarily depends on the pricing package a business purchased. To give you an idea, SquadHelp offers the following plans for business names, and you can see how much you'll earn for winning each type of naming contest. How do I sign up for SquadHelp and earn money typing names? Signing up for SquadHelp is easy, and better yet, free. All you have to do is head on over to Squad Help and click Sign Up in the top right-hand corner. If you're wanting to get paid to name companies, then click where it says Join as a Creative or Marketplace Seller. After you join Squad Help, you will be vetted, in a way, as a new creative on the platform. They will automatically assign you only 2 contests for you to enter your ideas. You will not be able to enter any other contests besides these 2. Essentially, in these first 2 contests, you must prove that you have good name ideas to contribute to the platform. If businesses like some of your ideas in those first 2 contests, then Squid Help will allow you to participate in any and all contests currently available to creatives. So next, let's take a closer look at contests and other ways you make money on Squad Help. How do you make money on Squad Help? 1. Enter contests. Now that your account is all set up, you'll need to enter naming contests and start winning them. If you want to make money typing names, this is the best way to make that happen. Squad Help contests usually run for about a week, and you'll typically win between $100 and $300 per contest, although some do pay winning creatives even more than that. You'll want to start by searching active contests that you can enter into. I recommend filtering the search results by naming only, active contests, and prize guaranteed. If you're curious about all the types of contests you can enter into, they are naming only, naming and taglines, tagline only, logo, and design. So if you feel equipped to enter into any of these other types, then go straight ahead. Again, the more contests you enter into, the higher likelihood that you'll make money. Now, as you're searching for naming contests, they'll say who can enter and what you need to do to enter. What are Tier A creatives? Well, these are Squad Help creatives that have proven over and over again that they have the good naming ideas, and usually have won multiple competitions or sold names on the marketplace. So how do you achieve Tier A status? The answer is simple. Don't just enter random names into contests. Yes, you can make money by typing names on this platform, but your names must fit the business description, be unique, appealing, and also have a corresponding domain name available. Don't worry though, Squid Help will automatically check to make sure your clever name ideas are also available URLs or domain names. Now, once you've entered a contest, you'll be able to see how successful your name ideas have been. Businesses will mark your ideas as either no thank you, on right track, like it, love it, shortlisted. 2. Sell names, logos, and taglines on the marketplace. Another great way to use Squad Help to make money online by typing names is selling on the Squad Help marketplace. Typically, you won't just put names up for sale though. You'll create a brand package of sorts that includes company name, corresponding domain URL, logo, a brief about description, possible uses, what industries and types of companies the name matches well with, root words used, key emotions and feelings the name triggers in consumers. The better each of these sections is, the more likely you'll be able to make money creating and selling names. And there are tons of business categories you can start creating names for. The top categories on Squad Help are beauty, agency and consulting, e-commerce, fashion and clothing, finance, real estate, tech. You can create and sell names in whichever categories pique your interest or you feel you've got good ideas for. How much can you make selling on the Squad Help marketplace? Well, if your names, logos, and descriptions entice businesses, then you can sell branding packages for thousands of dollars. Yes, that's not a typo. Thousands of dollars. Most sell for $2,000 to $5,000 each. And if your names don't sell quickly, then after a while you can change your price and put them up for bidding. Businesses can then make offers which you can compare before choosing the highest one. So if you have great company name ideas, start typing away and sell them on the marketplace. This is an excellent way to make more money on the Squad Help platform, especially if you can create attractive logos to match. 3. Be an affiliate. Lastly, you can make money by becoming a Squad Help affiliate. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to an affiliate dashboard immediately. Your dashboard will tell you 3 more ways of making money. $30 for every customer who launches a Squad Help contest, $35 for every customer who buys a domain on the Squad Help marketplace. Earn points when friends or family create a Squad Help account, So if you get friends and family to use the platform, either as a buyer or creative, you can get paid even more. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.